Okay, so me and Kelsey were sitting in our hotel room, and we were watching a cooking show, and there's a guy named Chad on it. And I don't know if you know this, but I think Chad is the most asshole name to exist. Like, nothing says asshole like, hey, I'm Chad. But yeah, I hate the name Chad. So I was telling her about telling Kelsey about how I hated the name Chad. And she was like, what if he was sad? What if his name was Sad Chad? Would you be friends with him if his name was Sad Chad? And I would. And that's the story. And it was 3 in the morning and it was really funny to us. And now it's mildly funny, but I don't know, it was a good time. Maybe you had to have been there, but Sad Chad. Can that be an, oh, no. No. Okay, bye.